half of her squash down.
Did you eat all your fruit?
Then she'll drink half this bottle of milk, and then that's that.
Kayla, did you eat your food? Did you eat your food? Did Daddy give you yummy food? Did you eat pears? And you had a bunch of cereal too? Oh, hi, Jacob. Hi. I would have used smile somewhere. See what Jacob's doing. You were at work.
You at work today?
You were at work? Yeah. You're driving the car to work? How was your day at work? Good. Did you drive the red car? All right. Oh, you drove the big car? All right. What are you doing over here? Oh, burp. Oh boy, oh boy.
Want to come have your milk, honey? Want to come have your milk?
Oh. Get it.
She's getting better at grabbing her bottle too.
You're cracking me up, girl. Here, Mama help. Try that.
What is it, son? What is it?
Oh, look it. Look it. Oh, it's in your eye. Oh, try again. Thanks for the kiss, Jacob. Here, get it. Oh.
I'm gonna start wearing your underwear here.
You can't poop when you go to the car. You can't poop at work in the car. That's not very professional. Oh, Kayla. Give Mom a smile. I gotta cover up the light because you look at the light on the recorder, don't you? There. Hi. Who's my girl? Smile. Are you my pretty girl? What is that sound? Hey. Smile for Mama. Are you eating your food? You had such good food in your tummy? Oh, you want your bottle? You gonna get it? Here, get it. There. How's that? How's that, pretty girl?
You gonna go throw this outside?
Say cheese. Sorry, I gotta turn it off. Okay, there. Say bye. Love you, Peanut Girl.